Welcome back to my channel. What is this beast? Do you know? Yes, that's right. This is a bear cub. Let's color it together to make it look nice. Before coloring, please press the subscribe button and press the bell button to get notifications from us about the latest videos. We start with the color green. Green. Next, we will give the color brown. Brown. Next, we put yellow color. Yellow. Next, we have the color blue. Blue. And lastly, we have the color red for the face and soles of the feet. Red. What should we do next? We will give the background color using black. How about the result? Does it look good? I think that's enough for this video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to press the subscribe, like, share button so that this channel can grow and develop.